Hello, hello. I'm not really sure where we are going. The main purpose while we're leaving home at the moment, so early in the morning, it's about 7 o'clock, is we going to visit some waterfalls. Recommendation of this waterfall I got from Anne, thank you very much. And Anne said it's amazingly beautiful, and it's not so far actually from Amed. It's somewhere between Amed and Chandidasa. On the way to waterfall, we stopped here in this area. This is the area where they're growing all these durians. There, I can see all around here there are a lot of durian trees. And how much was this one? 20. So this one only 20,000, which is about less than $1, right? No. $1.50. This one smells really good. Good?
Ням-ням.
Это что-то прям.
Let's check the yum-yum. This one is really good. Creamy and very sweet. These durians are really tasty, really sweet. I'm pretty sure on the way back we will buy more. Ah. And so we arrived at, I don't remember the name, just the one I saw the sign. And the entrance was only 5,000. The people are so kind, they show us the parking place. The entrance is not really for car. We have a small car, So that's why we got in, but actually it would be more comfortable to leave the car on the street and then walk in. It's not a long distance, it's like only like 600 meters to walk or 400 meters to walk, and that's it. And we are actually walking next to that waterfall or cascades, and a little bit of hike, really light hike, and then we will be up there. That's how it looks like here. We have like a small bridge here. There's a changing cabin. There is all these cascades. Later on I will fly the drone and then you will see. Not so much water at the moment. The rain season is not here yet. I will come back when it will be the rain season. Then you will see the difference. It must be really beautiful. The water is not that cold, pretty comfortable, really chilling, a little bit chilling, but in that hot day it's actually good. These waterfalls, I believe, are really beautiful when there is more water. Especially what is good about this place, it's not only waterfall, but it also all the surroundings, the rice pads and all these huge fields. I already know on the way back I will fly a drone again, just because simply it's really beautiful there. I think this quarantine really gives us time to a little bit look around, and when we came on to this place we simply understood that actually we're living in such a unique place, in such a small island which is only 300 kilometers. I mean the circle around the island, the road is 300 kilometers, and in such a small island you have so many different things, and that's, I don't know, you can travel and explore a year. Beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next place. like someone likes cats. Yeah, so many cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is another one. This is a sound which is surrounding us. It's just, I have to yell to say anything on a camera just because simply it's making so much noise. That's how the Brahma project should look like, but they didn't finish yet. There will be like some cascades. It's gonna be a really beautiful place in the future. Makasih. Comfortable trail. I don't know how far we have to go, but it doesn't look like it's too far. They have even rest area. I can see the waterfall already. Looks good. And that's the waterfall. Tiny but really tall. In touristic times it's been pretty popular. Just the only problem is that to get here, because Here it's like really steep driving, and it's like a one-way road. And if there are two cars, like in our case, there was two cars coming, and the one which goes up, freaking out really. When we will be closer to the ocean, then I will fly a drone again, because there are some like not really like rice pads. There are rice pads as well, but also some veggie pads. And then I will fly over that area, and then it will be it. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one again. Bye.